Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to crochet a waffle stitch. This is what a waffle stitch looks like. It literally looks like a waffle. It's pretty easy. It only uses double crochets. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So for today's tutorial, all we'll need is some worsted yarn and a size 5mm hook. For the waffle stitch, we're going to chain a multiple of 3. So for this stitch, you want to make sure that you have chain stitches that are a multiple of 3. So for this tutorial, we'll chain 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once you have your stitch count, that's a multiple of 3, you're going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the second stitch from the hook, so this stitch right here, in the second stitch from the hook, we're going to make a double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet all the way across. So next we're going to be making a double crochet behind this stitch right here. So we're going to be putting our needle through these 2 gaps. So you're going to yarn over, go under the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's your first front post stitch. So you're going to do 1 front post stitch, and then you're going to do 2 double crochets going into the regular chain spaces, making sure to go underneath both loops. For the third stitch, we're going to be doing another front post stitch. So go behind that stitch and make your double crochet. Then you do 2 more regular double crochets. Then the third stitch, we do front post stitch, then 2 regular double crochets, then 1 more front post, and then 1 last double crochet. And this is what it should look like. You should have a stitch that is pushed forward and then 2 stitches that are pushed back. So for the next row, we'll chain 1, we'll turn our work, you put a double crochet in the first stitch right here, then we put another double crochet in this stitch that was previously a front post stitch. So you just put a double crochet into the chains at the top like usual. And then we're going to do 2 front post stitches. So go behind the stitch, pull up a loop, through 2, pull through 2, go behind the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Next, we're going to do 1 regular double crochet, and then 2 front post stitches. Then a regular double crochet, 2 more front post stitches, a regular double crochet, and another regular double crochet. So we always start the row with a regular double crochet and end the row with a regular double crochet. Then you chain 1, turn your work, and then we'll be following the same pattern from row 1. which is a regular double crochet, because we always start the row with a regular double crochet, then a front post double crochet, then 2 regular double crochets, and another front post, 2 more regular double crochets, 1 more front post, 2 regular double crochets, another front post, and then we end with a regular double crochet. And it's starting to get a little waffly in here, huh? It's starting to look like a waffle stitch. So your first row is always going to be a regular double crochet, front post stitch, 2 regular double crochets, front post stitch, 2 regular double crochets, front post stitch, and you follow that all the way to the end, and you end with a regular double crochet. So the first row is working on the front of the work, and the second row is working on the back of the work. So for the back of the work, you do a regular double crochet, then another regular double crochet, 2 front post stitches, 1 regular double crochet, 2 front posts, 1 regular double crochet, 2 front posts, 1 regular double crochet, and then you end with 1 regular double crochet. And you just keep doing rows 1 and 2 consecutively until you have your desired size. I hope this video was helpful. Leave me any questions in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.
You don't have to